Hi, it's me again with Corel Roll Tips and Tricks, and the gentleman I'm trying to help is trying to follow along with the video, and he's saying the color eyedropper tool isn't working like it said, and it doesn't, because this is not an object yet. Let's just take an object, use the color eyedropper tool to get that color, then drop it in there. It's just not an object yet. So for the one I'm doing it for, or anybody out there, when I first did this the other day, I'm using the Smart Fill tool with the eyedropper from here. So I'm grabbing that, and the Smart Fill tool makes a new item or makes a new object. So just keep getting in this. It's a little bit confusing because I just made a video this morning about using the shift key to move these colors around, but it's the Smart Fill tool, and you don't have to go back up, but you have to go pick your eyedropper tool every time. But the Smart Fill tool will make an object. See, this is an object inside there. So you could make them all black. Let's just do that. Let's back up here. And let's just make them all one color with the Smart Fill tool, and we'll just make them let's make them yellow, since yellow's not in the scheme of the other one. Let's just go through and make them all yellow. So we're making new objects. Now grab the color eyedropper tool, and this is where it would help to have the shift key, because now I can go shift a new color, shift a new color, shift a new color, shift a new color. And what I mean by shift, I'm holding down the shift key to get a new color. So the eyedropper tool will not fill in something that's not an object. You know, if we had almost like the Smart Fill tool, you've got a shape. If this shape is not an object, if it's not open, if you take, and let's just do this, it's almost like there, if we take that out, that'll leak with the Smart Fill tool. So it's not going to fill it in with the eyedropper tool because there's nothing to fill in. As you can see, it's not sealed yet. I guess the best way to describe it. So if we take a box and put it around there, and now we take the eyedropper tool and pick that orange, it'll fill it in because it's leaking. So it kind of works like the Smart Fill tool, but it can't make its own object. It's got to have an object first. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.